we're going to talk about today is the importance of cleaning and stripping a tire. As you can see, we durometered this tire with a digital durometer, and as you can see, the numbers go from 57 to 51. And that gives you hard spots in the tire, and that gives you the inconsistency of a tire. When you have a clean tire, you're going to have more grip, and you're going to have more bite, and you're going to have the consistency that you need to win the race. We're going to start the process. This is the first step into making your used tires like new again to get performance out of them. This is the Aqua X. It's a 1 gallon jug. You're going to dilute it with 1 gallon of water. And we made it simple. We just put it in an old sprayer and we just go on the tire. So it's pretty easy to do. Since it feels like 30 below outside up here in Minnesota, we're doing it inside. And as you can see, it doesn't take much time, not much effort. Get both tires done. And you're going to be amazed at what this does for your tire and how different it feels, because what it's doing is it's taking the release agent from the tire making process and it's taking it out of your tire. We're going to let this sit on for 5 minutes and then we're going to pressure wash it up. Alright guys, our 5 minutes have passed, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to rinse it off. It's going to be that easy to get the release agent out of the tire, so here we go. You want to make sure that you rinse them really good, and as you can see, you can just see the residue and the release agent coming out of the tire. And I can't think of an easier way to make sure that you have a good tire. Alright, so after we clean and strip the tire, you're going to see that the durometer numbers are much closer. So now we've given you the tire that's more consistent. You're going to have more grip, more bite, and we did this with the Aqua system from Daytona 1. And when your tire refires after a caution and you have more grip and bite, you're going to win some races.